Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to write a blog post on your Shopify website. Right now, as you can see, we are into admin dashboard and we have clicked on content and then blog post, and now we are going to click on create a blog post. Right here it is asking the title of your blog post, right? So whatever the title of blog post you are having, you can simply type it over here. So let me write top 10 saris to wear in whatever the year, right? Okay, and let's go to ChatGPT, right, to get our article written. Okay, you can write manually as well. You can also take help of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, right? So here to fasten the process, I am just using the ChatGPT, but I would recommend you to write by own, right? So we are into ChatGPT, and here we have simply given a prompt to it, right? That write an article on this topic, write in 1500 words. Okay, so it have started writing, and it is also giving us image, right? So we are not going to use the image because might be it is capturing images from different sources and we can face copyright, right? So give without images. Okay, and here I'm not checking the plagiarism of content, right? But I would recommend you to check the plagiarism of the content written by ChatGPT or any other AI softwares, right? Else you might face copyright issues, right? So once check the plagiarism, whether this content is duplicate or not, using small SEO tools, right? Or any other plagiarism checker you can use like Grammarly and all, right? Okay, because content theft is a serious offense, right? So here we are just going to select the content and simply copy it using Control C, and now we are just going to the Shopify tab which we have opened earlier, right? And we are going to paste it over there, right? Sir, is there any free plagiarism checker tool? Yeah, a small SEO tool you can use for this purpose, right? And it generally doesn't take the content more than 1000 words, so you can check your content plagiarism in 2 times, right, by dividing your content within the less 1000 words, right? And here we have simply pasted the content, right? And this our article has been pasted over here. We can change it, right, as per our requirement. Like we can add images to it, videos to it, and we can also change the heading, right? So here I'm just going to add an image. So I've created a new line and clicked on image icon, and here you can either add an image from your system or you can generate image using AI tool of Shopify, right? So I have already uploaded the image, so I will simply search for the image name and would simply select that particular image. Okay, so our image is over there. You can also resize the image. When you click on the image automatically gets selected, right? And you can resize the image using the corners, right? Okay, and you can set the alignment of this image to center alignment. Okay, it's done, right? Similarly, you can add some more images in each paragraph if you require, right? And now we are going to learn how to add hyperlinks. So we have selected the text, clicked on hyperlink button, right? And we are opening a new tab and searching for the same word on the Google. And here we are just going to open this website and copy its URL, right? Or domain name only, okay? And now we are just going to paste it over here. So it's that much easy to create an external hyperlink, right? Okay, open this link in the same window, done. Okay, in similar way you can also create internal hyperlink in your blog post, right? So for example, I just want to add hyperlink on Doria sarees, so I need the URL of the Doria Sari page on my website. So I will open the front end of website, right? Okay, we are onto the home page, and now we will simply select the category. Okay, this is the category URL, right? We are just going to copy it and paste it over here and click on insert link. So internal hyperlink has been created in such a manner, right? Now we can also add video and we can change the heading. Okay, so it was H1, we can make it H2. Similarly, you can change the all the headings from H1 to H2, right? I'm not going to change all the headings right now, and you can click on add image to create a cover image of for this blog post. And here we are just going to use the generate image, the AI tool of Shopify, right? And here let's write a prompt for it, right? This would be the featured image, or you can say cover image, or that appears in front, right? And in fact, in Google search engine result page also it appears sometimes, right? So let's write what do we want, right? Okay, generate an image for blog on top 10 sarees to wear, right? For the cover image, we have simply given the prompt to AI tool of Shopify, and it's amazing, right? It would generate the image. You need not to design the image using Canva, but yeah, Canva is Canva, right? Designing an image from Canva is more professional, right? Okay, so it have given a random image. We are going to select this and click on keep. Okay, it's getting uploaded, and after it gets uploaded we will simply select it and then click on done, right? We have selected it and now we will click on done. Okay, our cover image has been uploaded, and this is the author, right? And the category you can select it from here, right? You can also add tags, right, so that relevant or related blog post automatically appears to the user. Here you can simply click on search engine listing and you can mention the meta title and meta description over here. So we are back to the chat GPT, and here we are just going to give it a prompt that write a meta title and meta description within 160 characters, right? And my blog post title is this. Okay, for a blog post on this topic. Sir, I want to learn Shopify in detail. You can check the YouTube playlist we have uploaded on our YouTube channel for Shopify. Okay, so here we are just going to add this phrase in the meta title, right? Because okay, the first title was already same, and here we have simply added the meta description as well. And in the URL handle you can simply change the slug, right? You can remove this part, right? Okay, it's done. And now let's click on save and make the visibility visible, and then click on save. Okay, it's done. Right now we are just going to see this article in the front end, so we are going to click on view and it would automatically redirect us to the front end. Okay, so our article is looking good, and as you can see, here is the internal hyperlink, right, that we have added, and this is the image, and here is the external hyperlink, right? Okay, now we are just going to add a video which we forgot to add. So here you can again create a new line, right, by placing a cursor after a paragraph and then click on enter. Okay, let's open YouTube and search for a relevant or related video, and you can simply add that particular URL, right? But generally it's a Shopify website, so it would not show the YouTube video if you copy and paste the URL right in between the blog post, because you need to embed a YouTube player. It's not like what you used to do in WordPress. In WordPress, we just need to copy the URL and paste, and video appears automatically. But in Shopify, this is not the right way. You need to embed a player. I will show you by doing both the things, right? So we have simply searched for the title, and now we will simply click on triple dot, then save, and here you can copy the URL and you can simply paste it over here. Okay, but your video doesn't appear automatically, right? So let's remove this URL, right? And when you scroll up, you will see an option of insert video, and here it is already written that you need to paste the embed snippet, right? Okay, so we are going to click on embed and then click on copy, and then we are just going to paste it over here. Okay, insert video. Okay, so our video has been inserted in our blog post and our blog post is ready. Now we can simply click on save and our post would go live, right? You need to take care of all the SEO factors while writing a blog post. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.